So here's how to access Google Veo 3. Veo 3 is the latest AI model from Google, which is currently storming the markets. But unfortunately, it is not available in all the countries. For that, you first need to open a VPN that is trusted and connect it to a server where Veo 3 is available. Once done, go to deepmind.google and click on Try in Flow. After that, you will be redirected to this page. This is the official website for Flow. You can also try with Gemini if you want, but this is the better choice. So over here, click on Create with Flow. You will then be taken to this page. Then, on the top right, click on Subscribe. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can see the available subscription options you have, such as Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra. Currently, you can try out Google AI Pro for $0 for the first month, and it will give you limited access to Veo 3. But if you want the full features, you can choose Google AI Ultra and get the full features available for Veo 3. So this way, using a VPN, you can easily access Google Veo 3 even from a country where it's not available yet. And that's it. That is exactly how to access Google Veo 3.